Okay, this is Scott after install of the Nameless Helmholtz style twin can muffler, and this is run number 1 of 3. I also have the AEM cold air intake installed on this, and then in the back I've got the Nameless muffler, some other mods as well. So this is in February of 2024. All right, run number 1. Let's see if we have any performance improvements. Okay, 17.81 seconds, consistent with some of the other test runs. Not a big difference there. I didn't get a very good launch, but I did really notice that when I hit those shift points, it had a bit of a punch forward, which I have not experienced before on other test runs. But again, time is time, and I didn't see a time improvement. All right, we'll do a couple more runs here.
30.